Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be with you and God bless you. Hello everyone, my name is Cindy Happy Lestari. Okay, in here I want to explain about formative test 1 in modul number 1. There is Q and R this conversation. Q, accuse me, blank blank blank, and R answer, you want number 6 or 14? So in here the answer is right, the option is right, that is option B. Can you tell me which bus goes to the museum? Why? Because in here interrogative sentence, so talk about uh, transportation about museum. So the number 1, the option is right, option A. So the number 2, how blank 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 your father go to work. So the answer is right, the option is right, option D. That's why, because in here that is simple present tense, interrogative sentence. So in here the subject is your father, so that is he, so we use just. So the number 2, the answer is right, option D. So the number 3, I don't know, blank blank blank. So in here the answer is right, the option is right, option A. Where this bus stops. Why? Because in here that is simple present tense. So in here the negative sentence. So the number 4, can you tell me? So in here the answer is right, the option is right, option C. How much a city bus goes to station costs? Why? Because in here the simple present tense is right, interrogative sentence is right, that is the option C. So the number 5, Q and R's conversation. Q, how can I get to your house? So R, the answer blank blank blank. So the answer is right, the option is right in here, option A. You can get there by taxi. Why? Because in here there is conversation. How can I get to your house? So the answer is right. You can get there by taxi. So the number 5, the answer is right. The option is right. Option A. So the number 6, X and Y conversation. X blank blank blank. And Y, it is not far from here. Just take a walk about 1,000 meters, and the bank is on the right. So in here the question is right, interrogative sentence is right, the option is right, that is option D. Could you tell me where the nearest bank is? So that is the option, the answer is right, the number 6. So continue. The number 7, X and Y conversation. X say, would you like to tell me when the last train come? So the Y answer blank blank blank. So in here the answer is right, the option is right, this is option B. The last train will come in the few minutes. So the number 8, remind him not to drive fast. So in here the remind is right, that is don't drive too fast. So the number 8, the answer is right, the option is right, option A. Okay, in here I want explain about formative test 2 in modules. So the number 1, look at this picture. There is picture a bank, hotel, police station. So the Horizon hotel is located blank 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 the bank and the police station. So in here the location horizontal is right. This is the option C, between the bank and the police station. So the number 1, the answer is right. That is option C, between. So the number 2, complete the dialogue. Robert blank blank blank. Reno. Answer, yes. Go straight this way about 2,000 meters and turn left. The museum is next to the market. So in here the answer is right. The option is right about interrogative sentence is option D. Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the museum? So in here this is question. Yes. Excuse me. So the number 3, look at this map. There is garage and supermarket. So from the map, we know that supermarket is blank 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 the garage. So in here the answer is right. The option is right. That is option D. Across from supermarket is across from the garage. So the number 3, the answer is right. The option is right. Option D. So the number 4, Freddy and Novi conversation. Freddy blank blank blank. So Novi answer, I always go to campus by motorcycle. So in here the interrogative sentence is right. Option A. How do you get to campus? That is the interrogative sentence is right. The simple present tense. So the number 5. Yusfi and Dwian conversation. Yusfi blank blank blank. And Dwian, well, it's only takes 7 minutes by car. So in here the answer is right. The option is right. Interrogative is right. That is option C. How long does it take to your campus? So the number 6 and 7, that is the basic on the following map. So in here there is maps. So you are at A. You go ahead, turn left and turn right. You stop on your left building. Where are you? Okay, in here, if we turn left, if we A, in here we in the hospital. So you go ahead, turn left, that is bank, and turn right, that is post office, and you stop and the left, that is hotel building. So the number 6, that is option D, is right at the hotel. So the number 6, the answer is right. The option is right. Option D. Okay, number 7. You and your friend Dodi are at B. Dodi asks you to get to hospital. How do you show him the direction to the hospital? So in here the answer is right. The option is right. That is option A. Why? Because option B in here, the right hospital building and left post office. So in here, go straight ahead to first turning in your left. So in here, the turning in your left, so there is uh, the right bank, the left post office. So that is right. So the second on your right, just right. So that is the the right there is bank and the left there is hospital. So the the direction to hospital that is the option A. So the number 8, Q and R conversation. Q, where is the bank? So R, I'm sorry, I don't know, blank, blank, blank. So in here the option is right, the answer is right, option B, where where the bank is. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.